A SIM card is basically a plastic slice of wizardry. It's so tiny, yet somehow, if you remove it, boom, your phone turns into an overpriced camera. Like, bro, I can launch a rocket from this thing, but take out this microscopic piece of plastic, and suddenly, I can't call grandma? What the flip is going on here? All right, buckle up. We're about to shrink down, jump inside the SIM card, and explore what's actually in there. And no, it's not just memory or signals or that kind of vague nonsense your cousin says when he doesn't actually know anything. We're talking circuits, encryption, global identity tags, basically spy-level stuff. Let's go. So first things first, that little gold area on your SIM card, that's not just bling, it's a full-on command center. Those 6 tiny golden contacts connect to your phone and act like a bridge. When your phone says, "Yo, I need to make a call," the SIM responds like, "Chill, I got this." Inside that chip, you've got a microcontroller. Yes, a literal tiny computer. It has memory, it has processing power, it even has its own operating system. So while you're playing Flappy Bird, your SIM card is doing covert operations. Now, what does this microbrain actually do? 3 big things. 1. Identity. 2. Security. 3. Access. Let's start with identity. Every SIM card holds something called an EMSI, International Mobile Subscriber Identity. It's basically your phone's passport. When you turn your phone on, it sends this IMSI to your carrier like, "Hey, it's me. Let me in." Your carrier checks the number and is like, "Yup, that's the dude. Give him 4G. But here's the catch. It doesn't send that imsi in plain text, because if it did, your data could be hijacked faster than you can say public Wi-Fi. So here comes the magic key. Each SIM card contains a secret encryption key called KI. Your network also has a copy of this key. When you connect, the network sends a random number to your phone. Your SIM card uses Kai to encrypt that number and sends it back. The network checks if the result matches its own, and if yes, boom, you're in. It's like a secret handshake, but with lasers. Now let's talk access. Your SIM also holds information about what towers you're allowed to talk to, what services you can use, and what country you're in. It's why you can land in Dubai, pop in a local SIM, and suddenly everything works. Calls, texts, internet, like you've lived there your whole life. The SIM literally tells the phone what networks to look for. No SIM, no instructions, no signal, just sadness. And by the way, your SIM also stores your contacts, SMS, and even your last location. So yeah, it knows a lot more than you think. Now, here's the creepy part. SIM cards can be updated remotely. Like, someone sitting in a glass building 10,000 miles away can push new software into your SIM without asking. Wild, right? But wait, it gets even wilder. Back in the day, spy agencies used something called simjacking. They'd send a malicious text that never showed up on your phone, but secretly gave them access to your SIM card's data and control. Your SIM would still be smiling like, everything's fine. Meanwhile, it's snitching on you to someone in a basement wearing sunglasses indoors. So yeah, that little piece of plastic, it's not just a card. It's a microbrain, a passport, a security gate, a memory stick, and potentially a spy. And guess what? You can't even destroy it properly. Try snapping it in half. Your info might still be recoverable. Try burning it. Congrats. You just inhaled encrypted microchips. Best way to destroy a SIM card? Microwave it for 30 seconds. JK, don't do that. I like your kitchen and your eyebrows. But seriously, that tiny chip is holding your entire digital identity hostage. So next time you pop out your SIM card, maybe say thanks. It's doing a lot more than you thought. Anyway, that's gonna cost you 1 subscribe. And if your SIM card starts talking back after this video, don't call me.